They want you to figure out, remember, you have to know three things in order to make a histogram. Well, you can know it's a histogram. You got to know where you're starting, because you can start from 10 or 5 or 0. So they're starting from 0. And you need to know the width, how big is every bar, the width of the category. It could be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, or it could be 5 to 10 to 15 by 5s. You got to be, so here we're told to do it by 10s. So let's go to the data, bring it into StatCrunch, which is here. You go to graph, histogram. You tell the computer you want that first column as your data. This is not relevant here. Frequency. Here's where it gets, you start with 0 and be of size 10. That's it. And then those are the only two numbers you really have to plug in. You hit compute, and this is the picture. And of course, the question is, which of the answers look like that? So it goes 3 categories, goes up, 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 then down. So let's go back to the choices. This looks like category C. That's it. And then they tell you to do it again with a different.
So then, I just changed the 10 to 5?
To make the part B? Yeah. So you can go back even to the same, if it's still there. I think it's still there. Get rid of this answer. And you just, well, I mean, it doesn't seem to be saved, but you go to graph, histogram, start with 0 still, I'm not sure, but this time make the category 5. And hit compute. Oh, you had to, I forgot to save, to pick the variable.
So when you're doing it with a relative frequency, you would just change the.
Well, the relative frequency and frequency will have the exact same shape. The frequency actually counts up how many people are in every category.
Y-axis will change it.
The y-axis will go from, instead of counts, it'll be percentages or decimals. But the shape will be exactly the same. So as far as the answer is concerned, it's going to be the same picture. Is that one of the answers? I hope so. It is one of the answers?